In this video, I'll show you how you can see your FPS as well as your ping in Valorant. Now, as you can see right now, I cannot see my ping or my FPS, but what you want to do is you want to press escape, head over to video, go to stats right here, select a preset to none, and then in here you want to find client FPS and put it on text only, or you can have graph, but text is much better. And then scroll down until you find network and find network or TT and choose this on text only. Now when I close settings, you'll be able to see up in the top left corner above my minimap, you can see that I can see my FPS as well as my ping. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now if you go in here, you are able to choose graph if you want as well. If I choose graph only, you can see in the right side, I'll be able to see my client FPS on the right side of the screen, and you can also do show both if you want both your FPS as well as the client on the right side. Like I said, it's much better with just text only, but what you can do is you can also look at all the other stuff. So you can see the packet loss and incoming packet loss. If you want, you can turn this on and you'll be able to see it up in the top left corner. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.